Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the ChatGPT application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in ChatGPT and start your search. Now from the search results, tap on ChatGPT and you will see the install button. Tap on this install button and this will now begin the download and installation of the ChatGPT application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on in order to open up the app. And once the application is opened up, you can proceed with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one to start using it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the ChatGPT application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.